Here we go. Hey everybody, my name is Nicole Jordan and I'm going to show you one of my learning tools that I love. The first learning tool that I would like to go over, I'm so sorry, is McGraw training. One thing I like about McGraw is they have different programs and samples for people like me with learning disabilities. They have videos. They track your assignments report if you're a teacher. They track your goals and student access. And they got apps and interactive videos if you're in anatomy and physiology. I love these features. They do have SmartBook 2.0. You can watch videos. This is so cool.
Times have changed. Smartphone 2.0 with Connect is the solution. It's an efficient and effective learning tool to help you and your students.
So I also like it where when I was in school, because I have dyslexia, it helped me connect better with my learning. The other program that I love to use is called Brain Pop. Brain Pop is an interactive video. This is one of the videos sometimes when we talk about finances and one of our homeroom classes is stuff like this. And Brain Pop.
Whoa, buddy. You don't want to do that. I don't care what you saw on TikTok. He's charging 50% interest. And you don't need that. If you want to show us a plan, you can see over there.
They have quizzes. They have where students can do a quiz. Oh, I love this. And so, one thing I can say, being a teacher, I can go into one of my classes or my Gmail account, and it's called Schoology. And one of the teachers allowed me to be a student. And sometimes I can go in there in Schoology and they have their Brain Pop. I can go in there, it's me, there you go, ba 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 ba. It's computers, I'm sorry, the computer's taking forever. And I can go in the courses, I can go whatever courses I want. Let's say algebra. They gave the virtual classes. Got it. I can go use one of the brain pops that I say. So now I'm a student and it's like this. Enter the code, log in, and it has every tool that you have. So these are one of my learning tools that I'm going to be using for the future. I'm sorry this is over a minute, but the McGraw and Brain Pop. I hope you enjoy.